Good day, children. I hope you all are fine along with your family members. Student, today we will discuss animals' adaptation for protection. All living things have to protect themselves from other animals. For this, they use different ways. Here are some of the different ways to protect themselves. And these are camouflage, migration, hibernation, estivation. They use to survive in their habitat. First, we will discuss camouflage. Camouflage is the ability of an animal to change its color to blend or merge with its surrounding, making it hard to be seen or spotted. Some animals have skin color that matches their surroundings, and this is called camouflage. This helps them to hide and get closer to their prey. Here you can see image of leopard and frog. They have changed their body color according to their surrounding, and this change will help them to protect and get closer to their prey. Here you can see some more images that shows camouflage. The chameleon, a common garden lizard, change its color according to the tree or bush on which it sits. Stick insect look like the stick of the tree on which they sit, making it difficult for other animals to spot them. Now, our next adaptation for protection is hibernation. Due to the extreme cold and lack of food, some animals survive the winter season by going into a kind of deep sleep. And this deep sleep, we called it hibernation. During this, the animal heart rate and breathing slows down. Many lizards and snakes hibernate in winter and wake up when the hot season or spring approaches. Now, after hibernation, we will learn estivation. It is just opposite of hibernation. Some animal such as snail, mud turtle, snakes sleep for a long time during summers to save themselves from the summer heat, which is known as estivation. Now, you may understand from the picture. Hibernation helps the animal to avoid damage from low temperature, and estivation helps the animal to avoid damage from high temperature in summer. Now, after hibernation and estivation, we will discuss about migration. Some animals move in a large number from cold places to warm places in search of food. This is called migration. Birds like the Siberian crane and the Arctic tern, they migrate every winter, flying thousands of kilometers over land and seas to come to our country. So, student, these are the adaptation in animals. I hope you all have understood the lesson adaptation in plant. So keep revising. Stay safe. Stay home. Thank you.